In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and use the Yesyoukan Kanban plugin in Joplin Desktop. We'll start by getting the plugin installed. Make sure you're running Joplin on your computer because plugins only work in the desktop app, not on mobile. With Joplin open, go to the Tools menu, choose Options, then open the Plugins section. Click Browse All Plugins to open the catalog, search for Yesyoukan, and select Install. When the installer finishes, restart Joplin so the plugin is enabled. If you don't restart, you won't see the new features, so give the app a quick relaunch before moving on. Next, let's create your first Kanban board. Open the Tools menu again and select Create Kanban Board. A new node is generated with a ready-made board, and you'll see 3 columns appear automatically. These default columns are just a starting point. You can rename them to match your workflow, change their colors for quick visual scanning, or add more columns if you track additional stages. To add a task, click the plus button to create a card. Give the card a clear title, optionally assign it a color, and most importantly, link it to an existing note or create a brand new note directly from the card. The new note will inherit the card's title so your board and notes stay in sync, and you can put all the details, checklists, or references inside that note. Now let's work with the board view. Once the note contains the Kanban structure, the plugin replaces the standard markdown editor with a visual Kanban interface for that note. You can drag cards between columns to reflect progress, for example, moving items from to do to in progress to done, or whatever stages you've defined. This gives you a fast, at-a-glance overview of what needs attention. When you want to review or edit the underlying markdown, switch between the Kanban view and the raw note using the eye icon or the view toggle provided in recent versions of the plugin. That way you can fine-tune the text, then pop right back into the board to continue managing tasks. A quick reminder before we wrap up, this workflow is desktop only. On mobile, the same board will display as plain markdown text without the interactive Kanban interface. That's normal, just return to Joplin Desktop whenever you need the full drag and drop board experience. And that's it. With Yesyoukan installed, you can turn any note into a flexible Kanban board and keep your projects moving with a simple visual system.